Coulomb's law for electrostatic force between two point charges and Newton's law for gravitational force between two stationary point masses both have inverse square dependence on the distance between the charges and masses respectively. Compare the strength of these forces by determining this ratio of their magnitudes for an electron and a proton. So first of all, for electrostatic force there is formula K. Both have same charges, electron and proton, so that's why I can write E square upon R square. And for gravitational force, this is electric force and this is gravitational force. For gravitational force it is G me mp upon R square. Now we have to find Fe upon Fg, right? So Fe upon Fg here is equal to Ke square upon G me into mp. So here K, right? So value for K, that is 9 into 10 raised to 9, E, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 square, upon G, that is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, and Me, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31, and MP 1.67. Here I am writing that 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. So here Fe upon Fg we got 0.2 into 10 raised to 40. That means Fe is so much greater than Fg. Fe is very much greater than Fg. So this is the comparison between force between one proton, one electron, and gravitational force between one proton and one electron, right? Now second question, here the compare the strength of these forces by determining the ratio of their magnitudes for two protons. Now earlier it is one electron, one proton, but now between two protons, so again same formula Fe upon Fg, similarly Ke square upon now G mp square. So 9 into 10 raised to 9, E is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, and mp is given here 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 square. Here also there is square. By calculating we will get 1.3 into 10 raised to 36. So that is Fe much greater than Fg, again for two protons. So now third question is, estimate the acceleration of electron and proton due to the electrical force of their mutual attraction when they are 1 angstrom. So see here Fe, that electrical force formula Fe is equal to K E square upon R. R is given now, it is angstrom, so 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 square, right? So we can easily find Fe. After finding Fe, force formula is Fe is equal to mass into acceleration, so acceleration subject Fe upon m. So we can find acceleration of electron. Similar manner, here we have to find for proton, right? So Fp is equal to again Ke square upon 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 whole square. See here we have to write, see in this equation there is a mass of electron, so Me. Fe we found, right? Fe formula now, that is MPAP, because we have to write here mass of proton now, and that is here 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. So now again to subject, by subjecting this AP, again we will get our proton acceleration,